Friends, Running Kimono here. So it is January the 22nd, Sunday, and we have a really great haul today over at Walgreens. My basket was like free and a $3 money maker, so I'll take that all day, every day. At the beginning of the video, we're just going to talk about deals if you want to go out shopping, and then we're going to look at a bigger booster basket towards the end of the video. This is the first superb deal of the week to get some free dental care. So what you're going to do is grab one of the Colgate toothpaste priced at $3.99. We're also going to grab, let's go with a mouthwash because we get brushes and paste for free, but the wash is a bit more unique. Grab one of those, and here's the tag for those that are like, I need to see the tag. And it's producing a $5 register reward manufacturer as well. So again, just to remind you, one paste and one wash, that should amount to $7.98. And then you're going to load the following digital coupons. That is the $2 off. So you choose the wash or a brush. I'm going to go with the mouthwash. And then the $2 for the paste. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this deal, grabbing one of the paste and one of the wash, that's $7.98. Subtracting the two $2 coupons, that's $4 off right there, for a total of $3.98. You're going to get back a $4 manufacturer register reward, making this free. If you're doing this on its own without a booster, yes, you absolutely can use Walgreens cash. Spend it to earn that register reward. And here's our little friend that printed out of the register reward machine. As you can see, compliments of Colgate Palmolive. So you know that is the one that printed out for that little dealio. Okay, the next deal, if you just want to, you have an itch to get out to the store, is with the Garnier Fructis. Now, I speculated that whole blends would be part of it. I don't believe that it is because I don't see it priced 2 for $8. So these guys are 2 for $8. I grabbed both a shampoo and a conditioner. So here they are. For the longest time, we had to grab either 2 shampoos or 2 conditioners, but I mixed and matched, and it worked beautifully for me, guys. So grabbing one of each, we need our friend Loaded, which is a $3 off of 2 digital coupon, and that came off perfectly today. Everything seems to be going really well today for whatever reason. So looking at the math for this, 2 of those shampoo conditioner Fructis by Garnier, that's $8 on the nose. Subtracting that digital coupon, you're paying $5, getting back a $4 store register reward, making it $1 for the 2 or 50 cents per. Again, if you're doing this without a booster, yes, you can use $5 of Walgreens cash, spend it to earn a $4 store register reward. And here is our best friend. If you look at the top, it says store coupon. Treat that one like an IVC. It's not like a regular coupon, that is for sure. Now, this is also a really tremendous deal where they're taking a couple dollars off of the Complete Home, which is the Walgreens brand, for the trash bags and these disinfectant wipes, along with the toilet paper that's always been on sale. So if you want to burn through one of these store register rewards, grab one of each, and then one of those little caramel candies at the till, or a lollipop, whichever one you want. So these cheap lollipops or those little caramels for 32 cents, you pick whichever one you want. Grabbing 2 of the Complete Home trash bags, that's $3.98 at $1.99 a pop. And then one of those little candies for 33 for a total of $4.32. I would present that $4 store register reward and pay 32 cents and call this a tremendous, tremendous deal. I hate paying for garbage bags, so whenever this deal pops up, I hope it's all the time. I'm going to stock up, especially for the smaller trash bags. Okay, this next deal with the Downy, the Tide Simply, which is the yellow bags or the yellow detergent, and the Bounce dryer sheets, they are 4 for $9. Again, if you have that store register reward and you're like, well, I want to spend it, but what do I do? Let's throw one of these into the mix. So grabbing, if you want to mix and match or grab 4 of the Downies, that's a really good deal, especially if you're a newer coupon or building your stockpile, definitely 4 of those Downies. Subtracting that $4 store coupon and then $5 in Walgreens cash, you're paying down the tax. You're doing this deal without a booster. That should work perfectly for you. Okay, guys, so I had this guy print for me last week, which is $9 of Walgreens cash when you spend $40. So I definitely wanted to stack this with one of my digital boosters. And this is the digital booster I had for this store card, which is earn 7 when you spend 25. So I'm going to get back $16 when I'm spending 40, which is like a really smart basket, I think. So I was really happy to stack those two together. This is what I grabbed. 3 of the Complete Home trash bags. The hair or the Just for Men is $1.29 or 99 cents. So I grabbed 4 of them. Even for women, because it has that little comb that you can put for your white or gray hair. It's fantastic. So I got 4 of those on clearance. And then I got 3 Olays for 21, and then the free Colgate that we were talking about. So just to show you, you might want to look through the men's section. A lot of this stuff is on clearance. So I did grab a couple. The more expensive stuff, of course, I didn't grab a photo, but it was $1.29 because I think the original price was $12.99. But these cheaper ones are 99 cents. And then, so that's what I did. At least $5 of that clearance. And then the Olay is $7 a pop. And then when you buy 2 this week, you're getting back a $4 register reward. If you read the tag, Garnier Fructis and Olay are part of this. So that's why I didn't put it in the same transaction, because that $4 register reward will only print once per. So I did Olay for this transaction, and I did my Fructis in a separate transaction. This is the digital coupon that I loaded, which is a 2 off of 2, a very chintzy one. But hang on to your hat because it gets a little better. IBOTTA giving back $5 when you buy 3 of these products. And yes, I already got my money back, so I am not crying too much about that. And then I used 2 manufacturer $4 register rewards from last week. If you look at the top, it says manufacturer coupon. Thus, you can use it in a booster offer, such as, spend 40, get back 9, because that's a manufacturer coupon. Okay, so looking at the overall basket for this, 3 of the complete home bags at $1.99 a pop is $5.97. 4 of the Just for Men at I think it was $1.29. That's $5.16. 2 of the Olay, a wash and a paste, is $7.98, and then 3 of the Olays for $21 for a grand total of $40.11. I got the cashier to scan my 9 back when you spend 40 booster. Plus, I had my digital one loaded. I presented 2 manufacturer register rewards for $4 off, and then I had $6 in digitals that came off. $2 for the Olay, the $2 for the wash, and the paste for the Colgate. So that's $6 altogether. With my debit card, I paid $26.11. And then I got back $16 in Walgreens cash for the 2 different boosters. I got back a store and a manufacturer register reward for Olay and Colgate. So that's $8 back. And then I also got back $5 from IBOTTA for buying 3 of those Olays. So it made my basket free plus a $2.89 moneymaker. Remember not to use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash to pay down the balance with those boosters, or it will mess everything up. You can see that between the Olay and the Colgate, those are the 2 deals, and then everything else is just extras. To get a basket like this, a free moneymaker, not the worst thing. You're still out and about doing your Walgreens stuff today and you have a Big Lots near you, you might want to check out all of the food, because anything that might look Christmassy is actually 90% off, including this 36 count of these K-Cups. I paid $1.49 for these, and they don't expire till September of 2024. So that's a lot of coffee for a lot of time. And then also these holiday themed lip balms. We have a hot chocolate one and a caramel mocha, 9 cents each. They were just in front of the store. Nobody was buying them, so I bought all of them, and I was so excited to get these because 9 cents, they're going to make excellent stocking stuffers next year. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.